How to fulfill orders on Zendrop. Zendrop is an excellent platform for dropshippers who are looking for a reliable and user-friendly solution to manage their businesses. So, welcome to our Shopify tutorial. In here, I'm going to focus on order fulfillment and I will guide you step by step so you can follow along. Let's dive in. To start, let's go to your Shopify store and then you're going to add the application called Zendrop. And then you're going to install the app, grant access, and link it to your Shopify store. So I've already linked it. In order for us to locate and import product that we want to sell, we have to find products here. I'm going to choose this. Then let's go to your My Products page and then let's review and publish. And as you can see in here, the product, the description, the variants, and the images. So in the variants, we can actually adjust the price and then see the profit that we want. So if you're already satisfied, let's publish to my store. And then let's go back to our Shopify store and go to My Products and let's see if it is already listed. As you can see, it is now already listed. So let's go back. For automated order fulfillment, let's go to orders and then you want to toggle this on if you want automatic fulfillment of orders. And then you need to upgrade to access this feature. So since we're having a free trial, we can't do that for now. And then if you want manual order, you're going to see it in here and then you're going to select what orders you want to fulfill and then click fulfill orders. Since we don't have any orders yet, we cannot do it now. I cannot show you for now. And then let's go back to your Shopify store. And then when someone's going to order, those orders will be shown in here and would automatically send to Zendrop. We will be receiving alerts and notifications for your orders and it will be directed to Zendrop. And then after you click that notification, it will be directed in here and then you're going to fulfill it manually. So you have to ensure your Shopify store's payment settings are enabled and linked to receive payments from your customer orders. Also, make sure that your Shopify plan is active for this feature to work. So that's it. You're now ready to manage your Shopify store's order fulfillment efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful guides. Thank you for watching!